All right, so position number 2 with the three-way hip mobility exercise, so to speak, would be this. We're going to go into this position number 1. So my knee is bent. My left leg is my movement leg, I'm sorry. My right leg is bent and turned out, so this is my dead leg, if you will. And this was position number 1, just to make a recap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop on the elbow. And you see when I drop on the elbow, that turns my hips a little bit. So now the roll is a little bit more on the side of my hips. Now, you're able to put your hand here, but what you got to make sure you don't do is turn, as you saw that in that camera right there, because we want to make sure that we're still working over this semi-lateral position, if you will, because the third position is going to be there. So we don't want to go there yet. We want to stay on position number 2. So feel free to have your hand here. I prefer it there because it opens up your chest too, and then we make sure that you don't turn your hips too much. But as you're doing this, if you want to move your hand here, that's fine. Just try to, even take a look and make sure you don't get any of that hip rotation, if you will, yeah? And you look for that little bit of that flip, so kind of this area where it's like dunk, dunk, and that is the area we want to work on because that's the area causing the problem.